Manatees, gentle giants of the waterways. Manatees, often called sea cows, are large, gentle marine mammals that inhabit warm coastal waters, rivers, and springs. These slow-moving herbivores can grow up to 13 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds, feeding primarily on seagrass and aquatic plants. Despite their bulky appearance, manatees are graceful swimmers, using their powerful tails to glide through the water. They have no natural predators, but human activities, such as boat collisions and habitat destruction, pose significant threats to their survival. Protected by conservation efforts, manatees remain a symbol of peaceful marine life and the importance of protecting our waterways.